Hello my friends, we are doing a construction update here at our property on Lucia Walk here in Naples. We're about 3 to 4 weeks away from coming to market. Super excited to bring this property to you. It is exquisite. No expense was spared. It is absolutely beautiful, ready to go. All it needs is your furniture. Come on and take a look. We're close. Some of the finishes are starting to go in. Can't wait to show you guys inside. Okay, my friends, I hope you liked that quick little tour. We're gonna do a full entire video, tons of production here on this particular listing as soon as it hits the market, but we wanted to give you a sneak peek of what's coming soon. We'll see you guys.